Good morning, Corvette family. Welcome back to our exclusive Corvette channel. Real-time update for you. I'll be getting this car cleaned up, ready to go for Steve in Illinois. His beautiful 2020 HTC. You know what that means. Hardtop convertible. And I'm thankful that we've been busy off camera, on camera. Thanks again for taking the time to join us, guys. We've got cars coming in that are two that are going to California, one going to Wisconsin. Dennis's cars, all of his accessories are here, so that's going to be going to Florida. Excited to share all these moments with you guys. In fact, tomorrow, going to go way back, and I'm just so busy. We're doing dailies that I can't catch up. I'm going to share with you a C7 orange convertible delivery, another customer experience on Sunday, and then on Monday, okay, I'll get out of the shot. I know you guys want to see the convertible. On Monday, I'm going to share with you Sean from Pennsylvania that bought that 2010 ZR1 from us. He races now a Lamborghini Huracan. This guy's having so much fun with this car, and again, that car's more than I think, even to this day, people realize. Man, this thing looks good dirty. It really does. So yesterday we shared a customer experience with you guys with Russ getting our very first hardtop convertible. And today on the show, oh my gosh, what has it been, a couple of months since I was at Bowling Green. I was walking around the grounds toward the end of the day, got caught in plant traffic, but we were able to see some hardtop convertibles. So what I want to know from you guys today gets a little confusing. On the hardtop, let's go over back to the convertible real quick. As we showed you yesterday, we had a convertible that had the body color top and the body color nacelles, and it tricks you. Almost looks like a coupe. Well, that is a coupe. But what you have option-wise, you can get your top in the body color of the car and just the nacelles in carbon flash, or you could have the nacelles and the top in carbon flash. What do you guys like better? Now let's take a look at some more variations down at Bowling Green Assembly.
Trunk in the front. Wow.
Okay, I'm not going to get out of here without telling you guys this story when I would come. I come here every year, sometimes multiple times a year. Can't really see, I got to be careful. Make sure the guard's not watching me because they run me off when they see me with a camera. But this area here, this is the expansion of the Corvette assembly plant. This was never here before. That was just a big giant field with a fence. And you can see where the road is here, and then you would go all the way up there. So what I would do is I would sneak and I would snoop and I would walk through the grass, hide up into the fence to see what's going on, to see if I could see anything. You never could see anything anyways. So one year, I parked there, and I'm walking, and I started running all the way to the fence. Now, mind you, the weeds were 3.5, 4 feet tall. I'm going through the weeds, I'm trying to get there, and next thing you know, dude, I am down for the count. I fell in this hole. It must have been 2 feet or more, and I almost broke my leg. I'm like, oh my God, what is that? And my wife's watching, she's like, where'd he go? I'm down in the weeds, and then what do? I get up, and I brush myself off, and I continue on to the fence to peer inside to see nothing. That's how obsessed we are with knowing what's going on with Corvette. And it's just, you get that even more nutty when you're here at the assembly plant. Oh man, they must be leaving for the day. A silver convertible just went by me. I'm still gonna drive up to the office area and see if anything's parked out front. Yeah, buddy, right there. Well, it's a little later in the day than I thought. Usually this is filled up with employees, but there's one left, and that is a convertible. Elkhart Lake Blue regular Stingray, not a Z51. There's no spoiler on the back, as you guys can see there. And it is a 20. It's a CTF car, captured test fleet car. All right, so there you go. They're putting decals on them. So it looks like a coupe here, and right here you can see there's that window that goes down, and that goes down even with the top being up. So if you can get past not wanting to see the engine and the old mid-engine mystique, the convertible becomes a very viable option and an incredible value story. We'll talk more about that. You can see right here, here's your trunk line. So the top goes in here. This is never compromised. You have all your space, even with the top up or the top down. Some people have asked, they said, well, you've got that camera for the rear view mirror, but what happens when the top's down? Well, you don't need it when the top's down. You can see then. So, oh yeah, I didn't think about that. incredible lines on this car, and I can't stress it enough. If you've not seen one in person, it's hard for you to understand what we're talking about. Pictures and video just don't do this car justice. It really don't. Oh, white convertible just drove by. Where was he hiding? Oh, okay, I gotta tell you this cute story. So I'm standing in front of this display that's in front of the office of the Bowling Green Assembly Plant, and a lady sees me out front. I'm trying to do I'm by myself, so I'm trying to do a selfie picture, and I'm trying to get the red, white, and blue cars in there. She pulls around with her cute little Kentucky accent. She says, "You want me to take your picture?" I said, "Yeah." So her name is Mallory. Mallory, thank you so much. I'm just acting like a stupid tourist. And here's the pictures that she took for me. Just to validate that I'm here and I'm enjoying it. Thanks you guys for watching. And Mallory, thank you again. And you guys probably can't see, I know you can't see this because of the glare. This is Elkhart Lake blue, but it has tension blue inside. I'm reserved, I'm sorry, I don't know about that. I love that interior, I love this exterior, I don't know if they go together. You know what's really weird is there's no VIN number on this car, right? The VIN number is supposed to be here. So what are these things? Are these like real cars or what? Yeah, no VIN numbers. Fake Corvettes, I say. Look pretty darn good to me. Yeah, that's okay. It's great that they have red, white, and blue though in front of the plant office. That's awesome. Two more cars just drove by me, both convertibles. Didn't have the camera rolling, but here is an Accelerate yellow convertible. And keep in mind, when you order a convertible, the top and the nacelles can be ordered either as body color or you can get them as carbon flash. Actually, you can just get the nacelles as carbon flash, but I think if you're going to do that, it's better to do the top and the nacelles in carbon flash and see what a nice look it is. So you'll have this definition on your color to break up that that's the nacelle, and with the top all matching like that. Oh, wow. Yellow stitching and yellow seat belts. Competition seat car, too. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is a hot looking car right here. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I know a lot of people like the monochromatic look, but because you got the body blade, you've got the vents, I like the nacelles and the top to be in black. It's a shame you got to pay extra for that, but this look is awesome on the car. And now let me look at the VIN numbers. Okay, this is another CTF car. This is a 20. This is VIN 431, a convertible early on. Nice looking C5. Oh, look at that. Silver with the body blade color. I like that. How you doing, man? And there's a white one on the end. That is a convertible. And there we go. We're just talking about that. Here's one without the roof and the nacelles in the carbon flash. Is here when they match the car, the body color. You get an idea. It almost takes on the look as like the coupe. So there's no definition. There's no separation there. That's a good look too. See, that looks good on the white. There's that window. It's rolling out. I don't know. You guys leave a comment down below. What do you think of the convertible? Do you like the body color, roof and nacelles, or do you like them in carbon flash? Didn't recognize him. He's got to be somebody. He's got a 2020 Corvette demo walking out of the Bowling Green Assembly Plant. Yeah, he's somebody. There you go. Here's another look at that, you guys. Now that has the tension blue interior, only available in 3LT. That's a good looking car. Just a Stingray without the Z51. That's why it doesn't have a spoiler. That's when I'm bummed. Really bummed for 21 that you can't get, and I know why they're doing that, so there's separation in the models, but I wish you could order the regular Stingray and just get the Z51 style spoiler on the car. I really, really thought they were going to do that for 2021. And let's look at the VIN number of this car. It too, it's not a CTF car, it doesn't have a label on it. It is a 20, and it's VIN 876. And I'll tell you what, they got this boarded up. Now, a little bit of sneaking through there, but you can tell they've really got that tied down. They don't want anybody looking through there because they know guys like me do this. Oh, wow. Years ago, this never was up. Oh, you can't even get back here. Loaded back there. Yeah, just the way I like to see it. Keep them rolling, man. Yeah, I should have got over here earlier. See, I go in that Corvette store, I get stuck in there. My wife says, why do you buy this? Why do you buy that? Because you got so much stuff. I said, yeah, but I don't have this. She's like, you're an idiot. Sorry. It's kind of a Corvette thing. Yeah, she's right. Some call it an addiction. I simply call it passion. Oh, look at this. A couple more convertibles, boys and girls. There's the Zeus Bronze. And, oh, I wish I could get a little closer to it. It has exactly what we were talking about. I don't think you can see it from here. It has just the black nacelles, but the roof is in body color. So that's yet another option. Oh, well here, the Elkhart Lake Blue has that. So 3 different configurations on your nacelles and roof, if you guys can see that there. See how the roof is one color and then the nacelles are carbon flash metallic? That's one option. Getting it all black and the nacelles black is another option, or leaving it all body color. That's pretty neat to see these out here. Yeah, it's kind of hard shooting through a fence. And we don't have a lot of direct sunlight, but I think you guys get the idea. Okay. Enough playing around, we got to get back on the road. I really do appreciate you guys sharing the moment and sharing this part of the vlog with us.